today for this Sunday video. Yeah, I think it's Sunday video. I am going to be turning into like the future, like old me. And yeah, I'm surprised that not more people have caught on to this and done it, because I've only seen one on Instagram and one YouTube video. And I have got a bit of makeup on now, so this is like the before. And yeah, let's just get straight into the makeup. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking off the makeup I already have on. These like smell really strong of roses. Okay, I'm gonna start with a base, and the only reason I'm putting a bit of BB cream back on is because when I do the eyebrows, it won't look funny. You'll see. Also, I think I'm doing me like with the old me with a little bit of like natural makeup on. And there's no need to set this because if I look wrinkly, it doesn't matter because I'm supposed to. Okay, now I'm going to take some concealer, brush it through my eyebrows with a spoolie because your eyebrows would get lighter as you get older. Oh my goodness. That works so well. My eyebrow looks great. Oh my goodness! Wow. Okay, that's great. And then I'm just going to put whatever's left over under my eyes. Just like a little bit. Older people like to wear a lot of blush too, so let's do that. And of course, I'm still going to be wearing highlight. I keep looking at myself and I look funny because I look like I have no eyebrows. I've got this eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be using like these colours, maybe some of these, mainly these darker colours down here to start drawing on some wrinkles. I'm going to start off with this really fine like brush. I'm going to use a cool toned colour, I believe. Okay, and start just wherever I have wrinkles. I think I'm going to start on the forehead. I'm gonna bounce my beauty blender over them. Oh my gosh, I actually look older. The more subtle, the better it looks. Okay. I was actually doing so well and then I just drew these giant lines on me, so I'm gonna have to blend that out. I actually look old. I'm back. is sore. Must be getting old. I just look like I drew lines in my face. Holy guacamole. I'm gonna do some nose wrinkles. It looks so weird doing this. Now that we've done like the shadows, I feel like I need to highlight some places to make the shadows look like darker and like it's actually my face. Just eyeshadow brush with a bit of concealer. Okay, so what I did was put like some BB cream and Vaseline and powder in my hair to make my hair look more grey. And this is how I'm looking so far. Oh my gosh. It's been like a few hours because the battery needed to charge. So that's probably why the lighting looks different. But the last thing I did forget, well, the last thing I want to do is add some like freckles. Okay, so I'm now finished and I'm not quite sure if you're going to be able to see it in the camera or not, but this is how it turned out. There'll be some photos on my Instagram, so if this doesn't look so good, go over to my Instagram because there'll probably be better photos. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!